It is our spring product launch, and today I have a special guest with me to demo our Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle. Can't wait to show you. Stay tuned. So before we get started cooking on it, I wanted to show you the griddle plates. They go like this, but the important part is on the back. The heating element goes all the way through them so that they are even heating across the whole thing. And I'll have Matt tell you more about his experience with that here in just a couple minutes. Plus, bonus, they're dishwasher safe. Anyway, my special guest for today is my husband, Matt.
Howdy folks, let's make some pancakes.
Yes, Pampered Chef does have a pancake and waffle mix, but Matt's been making it by himself for many years from scratch. So we're gonna show you how we do that today. And we're gonna use the Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle to cook the pancakes.
Can kind of seamlessly pour afterwards. Okay. Now about 10 seconds of whisking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, close enough. There are 3 things that I really like about this griddle, particularly for making pancakes. The first is surface area. I'm going to be able to get 4 pancakes on here with a lot of room. It's going to be easy to cook. The second one is even heating. There are elements that go all the way through it. Historically, I would have used my Lodge cast iron, which is great, but the gas burner underneath it doesn't provide even heating, so I end up with 1 pancake in the middle because that's the only way I can get it even. The third thing I like is temperature control. I can just set it at 350 degrees and it keeps it there all day long.
So it's just for flavor, huh?
Yep, it's just for flavor. You don't have to have the butter if you're really being super careful with your fat intake, or you, for some strange reason, don't like butter, don't use it. You don't have to have it. I won't think less of you.
How's it looking?
Needs a little more time. They're not quite crispy enough around the edges yet.
Oh, Matt started eating back there. But don't they look great? The link for the Deluxe Electric Grill and Griddle will be in the description below. Hey Matt, thanks for making me breakfast this morning.
You're welcome. I love making breakfast.
until next time, enjoy.